Build your own NAS with FreeNAS or TrueNAS. Building your own network-attached storage NAS. Using FreeNAS or TrueNAS is a smart way to create a secure, flexible, and cost-effective storage solution for home or small business use. FreeNAS, now officially known as TrueNAS Core, is a free, open-source operating system based on FreeBSD that allows you to turn almost any old computer or server into a powerful file server. Why choose FreeNAS/TrueNAS? FreeNAS/TrueNAS offers enterprise-grade features without licensing fees. It uses a robust ZFS file system, which includes data integrity protection, snapshots, compression, and replication. It supports multiple file sharing protocols like SMB, NFS, AFP, and ISCSI, making it ideal for a variety of client devices and platforms. What you need to get started, you need a spare computer or server, 64-bit, at least 8 GB RAM recommended for ZFS, at least 2 hard drives, more for redundancy and performance, a USB drive to install the OS, stable internet connection, FreeNAS/TrueNAS ISO, download from TrueNAS.com, step-by-step setup, download and install, download the TrueNAS Core ISO, and use a tool like Rufus to create a bootable USB drive. Boot your target machine from this USB and install TrueNAS on a separate drive, not your data drives. Initial configuration. After installation, access the web interface via another device using the IP address shown on the console screen. The intuitive web UI allows full system configuration. Create storage pools. Use ZFS to create pools with redundancy, RAID-Z, mirrored, or striped. Add datasets for specific shares or use cases like backups, media, or documents. Configure network shares. Set up SMB for Windows, NFS for Linux, or AFP for macOS clients. Create users and set permissions accordingly. Enable services. Enable services like SSH, RSYNC, or snapshots for backups. You can also run plugins such as Plex for media streaming or Nextcloud for private cloud storage. Monitor and maintain. Use the dashboard to monitor system health, disk usage, and alerts. Regularly update the system and take advantage of built-in snapshot and replication tools. Final thoughts. FreeNAS or TrueNAS is ideal for DIY tech enthusiasts, home lab users, or small businesses that need reliable data storage without enterprise costs. Its flexibility, data integrity, and strong community support make it one of the best solutions for building your own NAS system. With just a bit of setup, you can enjoy secure file storage, backups, and media streaming, all from your own hardware.